Okay, I'm here at Linwood. We need a vent cover here. I think there's 3 vent covers that I saw. I don't know if that can be touched up right there. But the rest of this is starting to look pretty good. The trim looks considerably better. That's kind of dirty there. That needs to be cleaned up a little bit. This looks pretty good. We need a vent here. Bathroom needs to be cleaned real nice, and we still have that paint right there that needs to be done next to the vanity. This light doesn't work. There's actually no cover, and I'm guessing maybe that's the light right there. Yeah, I suppose that's the only place where a light would go, but we need that fixed because they'll want to come in here and look. That needs a cover as well. Cover. So you get a bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets. And then need these 2. There's no light in here. These stairs look pretty darn good. This trim is a lot better in here. Needs some kind of cover there. Need a cover there. Need a cover back here. Need some trim on the ground, some base trim down there. That cover here. This looks pretty good. It's just a little bit dirty. This all needs to be wiped down and cleaned real well. This looks pretty good in here, except for that needs to be painted a little bit to cover that up, because that looks kind of nasty. Then outside, actually let's do basement. I'd like to just sweep this up a little bit. Just get this swept so it doesn't look so dirty. And then if we can try and get that furnace and that water heater and maybe put it back, tuck it back in the corner or something like that there, so this doesn't look cluttered and nasty, and just pick up this trash, and all this stuff just needs to not look completely trashed. So just clean it up real quick. This floor all will need to be cleaned up. That trim is a little bit janky. Here, this casing is pretty dirty and messed up. That needs to be painted, and that needs to be painted, that on the entryway, that, and maybe some caulk to make it not look so beat up. But I'd like to seed, if we can, right there. All of this vegetation along the side on the fence all the way to the front, that needs to be weed whipped, and we need to cut the grass. Same thing, this vegetation along the side, like in these little trees and stuff along there, that all needs to be weed whipped and removed, so this looks a lot better and a lot cleaner. We got to get rid of those. Probably just take them out of there. Pick up this trash. Any leaves, we want to try and get the leaves out of there so the mulch looks real good. But the front of the house looks good. There's a little bit of tape that needs to come off, but that looks pretty good.